to put screen share option. 1 second, team. I'm just checking the screen share option. Yeah. So is everyone able to see my screen? Please do confirm me.
It's visible.
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. So welcome to you all for the today's demo session, like Tosca automation. Where we all are here to learn Tosca automation and the features and advantages, everything I can discuss with you one by one in detail. So let me introduce myself. This is Anusha. I think most of you people are aware of me. Tosca trainer. I'm just in the training industry almost 6 to 7 years onwards, giving Tosca trainings. And most of my students also placed into topmost MNC companies and product-based companies also. And I do have students in a worldwide, like different countries also too. Let us coming to my experience. I just started having totally 12 plus years of experience right now. For this June, it's going to the 13 years of experience. In this 12 years of experience, I do have almost Tosca experience 5 to 6 years. 5 to 6 years directly genuine Tosca experience. And here I'm right now, I'm working as a real-time employee. Okay. Right now I'm working and at the same time I'm giving a trainings in a institutions as well. Okay. So I'm the right person to teach you like what is happening in a real-time point of view and what Tosca concepts are required and the technologies, what implementation is happening. Okay. So coming to here, the projects which I did so far, I work with the web projects and SAP projects and databases as well, and API projects related stuff is also I worked on using Tricentis Tosca, using Tosca automation. So coming to training experience, as I said, I have at least 4 to 5 years of training experience with Nextratic career. This is a quick introduction about myself. Everyone clear? Am I audible to you all? Please make it as an interactive session so that I can.
Yes.
Is right? Great, great, great. So team, I just want a quick, a simple and a short intro from your side. You are your name and you are from completely a different background or automation background or manual background. That's it. Not much. Okay. So could you please go with one by one, team?
Yeah, probably I'll start, Anush.
Yes.
So, this is Prasad. I'm from Vizag. I came from automation background.
Okay. It's a Selenium or any other automation?
UFT.
UFT automation. Okay, great. Great, Prasad. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Naresh.
Hi, Navish.
I am from Chirala, AP. I have total 4 years of experience as a manual tester.
Completely
Means,
manual experience. Okay.
manual experience.
Mhm. Great. Thank you. Thank you, Naresh. Yeah. Tim, please go next.
Yeah, myself Tanuja. I am from Kadapa and I have total 6 years of experience in manual test.
Complete manual testing experience.
Yes.
Great. Next, Tim.
Yeah. Hi. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. Myself, Swami. I'm from Hyderabad. I'm total having 8 years of experience, API and functional testing. My domain is insurance domain, PNC insurance domain. Working on guideware things.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. So, completely functional tester, right? Okay.
Functional and API. I have
Functional.
some basic knowledge on Java with Selenium automation part.
Okay.
Moderate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi all, my name is Mohit. I am from Pune. I have total 4 years experience and experience is about SAP only.
SAP functional experience, Mohit.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Great.
Hi, I'm Bindu. I'm from Bangalore. I'm having 4.7 years of experience with Worksoft automation.
Worksoft.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Bindu. Thank you so much. Is anyone left in?
Hey,
Yes.
hi.
Hi. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead. You. Go ahead. No worries.
Yeah, hi. This is Gupta from Hyderabad. I have 12 years of experience on testing. I'm SAP functional testing.
Yes. Okay, great. Thank you.
Yeah, hi. This is Pawan here. I'm from Pune, but currently I'm on on-site through Infosys, and I have total 9 years of experience, but in functional and API side.
It's a completely functional and AP. Okay.
Right. Yeah.
Thank you, Pawan. Is everyone is completed? Okay. So I can take it. Most of the people completely came from manual testing backgrounds and SAP functional testing. Obviously, you all are knows how to do a testing the applications. Okay. So then I'll explain completely a Tosca automation features, why Tosca is most popular in the market, and what its features and advantages and disadvantages, everything we can discuss one by one. Okay. Is anyone aware of Tosca earlier? Like at least basic knowledge on Tosca automation and all thing? Is anyone there? Could you please raise your hands? No. Okay.
I
So
have.
you have already. Great. Good to hear. So see here, team. Tosca is one of the most popular test automation tool nowadays in the market. Okay. And this tool is specifically designed for the automation purpose to build the test cases without coding language and to automate any kind of application categories. Okay. What kind of application categories we do automation? Tosca is providing a platform to automate almost 250 categories of applications. Application is nothing but it is a kind of projects. Okay, I'll go with one by one. The first thing is Tosca is belongs to the father of Tosca is a Tricentis. The Tricentis is the author of the Tosca. And they released Tosca to the market in the year of 2009. The recent release version is here. I think the release version is 8 to 9 version. That is a version of the Tosca which is released 2009. After releasing 2009 Tosca, I think whenever they release to the market after 2 years, the companies are taking training from the Tricentis to implement this Tosca to their projects. And later on, now it is dealing the market. Okay. So the latest version of Tosca itself, it is a 2025.1. This is a completely latest version of Tosca. Okay. And one more point here, this Tosca is completely codeless automation tool. So what are the comfortable zone we have right now as a functional tester or SAP functional or API functional? The same comfortable zone you can expect into an automation. Tosca. Only Tosca. Because in Tosca, there is no coding. If you want to work with a Tosca, no need to learn any kind of coding. So if you know one simple task, drag and drop. And if you have complete awareness of Tosca automation features, what are the features and everything, that is pretty much enough to work with a Tosca with any project. Okay. If you completely have a awareness of Tosca and the tool, complete knowledge you have. So if you get an opportunity, Tosca with web, yes, you are able to do. Tosca with SAP, yes, you are able to do. Tosca with Salesforce, yes, you are able to see. Like this, team, different kind of projects we can automate using Tosca. But the tool is same, the projects are changing. So this point is very important because the most of the people they are raising, I want only specifically SAP, I want only specifically Salesforce, I want only specifically web applications kind of thing. See here, understand one base point here. We are just learning tool. Okay, once you learn the tool, the same thing is applicable for any project. Either it is in a web or SAP or Salesforce or web, mobile or desktop. The same thing is applicable for all these projects. Why I'm bringing this point, some people they are specifically looking for the categories which is related to Salesforce, SAP web, but the concepts are same. So if you learn Tosca completely for one end-to-end application, the same scenarios is applicable for all projects. All projects, the flow is same. Instead of telling scenarios, I can mention like the workflow. What are the workflows we are learning here? The same workflow is common for all projects. All projects. The API same workflow, web same workflow, SAP same workflow, database, APIs, mainframes. If you go any project category, the workflow is completely common. Okay. So why specifically outside market looking for the SAP plus Tosca, Salesforce plus Tosca combinations, API with Tosca combination? Because of their project requirement. If you already have a functional knowledge about SAP, then learn Tosca, make it this combination like opportunities and try for the job opportunities. Salesforce and Tosca. This combination is also looking for the Salesforce functional people along with the Tosca experience. Understand? This point is clear, team? All of you?
Yeah.
So these all are the project categories. Using Tosca, you can automate any application without coding. No need to learn any kind of coding here. So coding is not at all required. Understand? The next point is here. Tosca is having AI features. So nowadays, in the market, the most of the people, each and every person's, it is talking about AI features. Okay, Tosca itself, these people are implemented this AI feature in the year of 2022 and 2023 only. Okay, they just released the AI features to the test automation tool, and then they're adding. Initially, they added AI feature that is a Vision AI. This is one feature. Later on, they just jump to the Copilot. Okay. Later on, agentic AI. Okay. Now, MCP servers. So how to connect Tosca to the MCP servers? All these features itself, it is implemented inside this Copilot team in Tosca. Okay. So here all the features and everything itself, it is already exist. So we can discuss all these AI features. You no need to bother about how to work with Tosca with AI combo. Because the most of the companies, they are looking for the people who are having AI knowledge. The similar way, we are just teaching these AI features as well. Understand these points? So now the Tracentis is very faster and first one of the company which is included all the AI features. So later on, the lot of tools also coming to the market, but AI Tosca is very stable for most of the companies. Almost all product-based companies and service-based companies, they are adopting Tosca for the best practices and maintaining the entire project-related stuffs. If you see some people, I know some of the people join today's session because their projects, they are looking for the Tosca with some experienced people like SAP or Salesforce or manual testing kind of thing. Okay. The similar way, the entire companies, the looking for the Tosca people, not only India team, if you go outside of the India, also like US, Germany, UK, and Dubai. And even recently also Dubai, some of the clients are connected with me. They said like we require Tosca resources kind of stuff. Okay. So I'm here to help you out to get the opportunity with the Tosca opportunity with the best knowledge. Okay. In this demo sessions, team, you cannot learn just what is what. I'm not here the person. I'm not the person to discuss with you what is what in a Tosca. This is not it my roadmap as well. See, as per your experience, most of the people completely came from manual testing. Already, you guys know how to do the manual testing and all. Okay. So today, I'll majorly focus with the Tosca automation, how to do the Tosca automation and all. Using this Tosca team, we can do integration tools also. Some people, they may have data-driven testing. Can we do data-driven testing? Data-driven testing is nothing but just prepare a different combinations of data to test a particular functionality. For example, if I take one particular logout here, I'm just taking here or in HRM or any other applications or Amazon login functionality. If you want to perform a login here, like contact sales or something login, sales related forms or automating this particular form, talk to an expert. Automating this particular form, what exactly we used to do? We can pass the valid data, invalid data, valid and invalid data combinations to test the only this particular form. So how it is done with the help of data-driven testing. So we just prepare the data. So Tosca is very flexible to support the data-driven testing team. In outside of the test automation tools, we have only three categories. One is you can maintain the data into Excel and call it. Tosca is also flexible to support Excel data. And another thing is TCD, test case design. Tosca itself, it is having one feature. And then TDM, test data management. It is completely cloud, Tosca server cloud. Okay. And other than this, we have other possibilities also. We can discuss each and everything clearly. Next in CI tools. So if you come across CI CD integration tools point of view, so simply we can work with these particular CI tools. And here, inbuilt Tosca itself, they are providing a distributed execution. You no need to go with the third party integration tools. What is the use of the CI CD tools? Run the test cases overnight. Like if I say headless mode, you no need to sit in front of the system to run. Just run the test cases overnight, more than 100 test cases, 200 test cases, and check the status tomorrow. For that, we have a lot of integration tools in the market, like Jenkins and Bambos and all. But Tosca itself, they're providing inbuilt feature that is a distributed execution. Another one is here, elastic grid execution. After that, if you want to integrate to the third-party tools like Jenkins and Bambos or Litmus, these all are the third-party integration tools. That is also possible. Clear? All these features clear, Team? Any questions so far?
That's clear.
I hope it's clear to you all. Good. So now coming to here, I'll just show you. So listen this one very carefully. So in outside of the market, no one tell you these things to you. Just listen very carefully. Trisent is released two categories. Okay, two categories. The first category is on-prem application, on-prem Tosca. This is the first category. Second category is cloud Tosca. On-prem, what is on-prem, what is cloud? So let me give a clarity here. On-prem is nothing but it is a Tosca commander must be required to installation is required. If you want to automate any particular test cases in Tosca, must be required Tosca commander. Okay, install this Tosca commander in your local system and then do the testing on this. So that is the reason here you can see on-prem combination. So what is Tosca Cloud? Cloud is nothing but it is a software as a service. You can directly access this one via URL. So that administrator team, they give access to your respective official mail ID. Then you can access this one with the You no need to bother about installations and license activations and all. It is completely cloud services. Tosca is released this version. So why I'm bringing these 2 points in these trainings, you people going to learn these two categories. One is on-prem, another thing is Tosca Cloud. What is on-prem? What is Tosca Cloud? Let me show you with the interfaces. If you open Tosca, this is the Tosca Commander app. That means this app is already installed in my system. That is the reason you can able to see it. Even if you want to work with the Commander, must you have required installation of this Tosca. Just click on Tosca Commander. Now it is doing the installations. So see here, Tricent is Tosca 2025.1, the version, the latest version right now I'm using. Even you guys also go with the 2025.1 on. So here, team, the license activation and license things is completely required. Once it is done, you can able to open like this. This is the main command. Right now, I'm just opening one particular project as a reference. Here you have to enter the credentials. It is simply user credentials team. User friendly application only. Okay, you don't need to worry much. Just understand all these features, what exactly it is, this. Everything I can explain to you in detail. To build a test case system, simply we use to build the test cases like this. If I expand this one, probably you may not able to see any coding here. I'm just expanding the test case. You can see the coding is required or not. It's a kind of info because I'm just telling it is a codeless tool. You just need some clarity on this, right? I just want to show you how we are developing the test case and how exactly it is happening. See here, this is a test case. And are you guys able to see any coding on this particular test case? Let me expand these things. There is no code. Okay. You no need to write even a single line of code. So what comfortable zone you have as a functional tester, the similar way you can work here with high packages. Okay. This is the commander tip. So on-prem commander. The another thing is Tosca Cloud Software as a Service. Let me show you that as well. What I can do. Let me open Tosca. So here I'm just opening the cloud services. So see here, team, this is the cloud. You have to activate this for not required. Simply you can use home login. Yeah, first one, Tricent is Tosca home. So this is the home tab. Here also software as a service only. As an administrator, they give access to us. Once they give access to us, team, simply we can come here and we build the test cases. Let me show you the test cases which is already created. So able to see what is happening and how we are developing the scenarios. So this is the one of the test case which I already developed here. You can see it. Are you guys able to see any code here? I'm just expanding all. Just look this and let me know. Able to see any coding? No. Very small syntaxes. Okay. So in these trainings, I'm going to cover this Tosca on-prem cloud, on-prem Tosca, cloud Tosca. Why these two things are required? If we have these two combinations, then only you guys able to get hands-on experience. Okay. Hands-on experience on AI features, which is given by Tosca. AI features in Tosca. See, to get the completely hands-on experience on AI features, team must be required Tosca Cloud. Without Tosca Cloud, we cannot able to perform those actions. Let me show you that. If you see here in the commander itself, This is the add-on. If you click on agentic test, we required connection details. It is asking to connect to the agentic test automation, redirecting and initializing. So see here, if you come back, let's close it and open it again. See here. So once you connect it to the cloud, then only it will show you these many features to us. So the connection to the cloud is required. That is the reason I'm just taking a combination of this Tosca cloud and the Tosca commander combinations training here. Clear up to here? Any questions so far?
Can you please explain this cloud Tosca server one more time? I joined late.
So the TriScientist team is released two categories of applications so far. Then one is on-prem application, another one is a cloud application. So both are used for the test automation purpose only. Understand? Okay, two automation. So some of the companies right now, they're adapting automation cloud also.
Is it required for any license for this?
Yes, the Tosca cloud, it is having a 14 days of trial license. Okay, we can utilize these 14 days of trial versions to learn how the Tosca cloud server is working. To get hands-on on AI is also pretty much enough here. Okay.
Thank you.
So see here, Tim, these two things are very, very important nowadays. If you are learning Tosca within 30 days, that is that enough? No, that is not at all enough. So must you have a knowledge on Tosca cloud and Tosca on-prem, because nowadays the companies are looking the people who are having this combination. Clear?
Hi, Ansha Prasad here.
Yes, Prasad.
So Tosca Cloud and the Tosca on-prem, whatever you have said, they have different licenses, is it?
Those are different licenses. This
Okay.
license you will get from our training next static area. They'll give you almost 6 months of license activation here. Okay, you can directly work with that. So along with that, in Tosca Cloud also you'll get the license. It is a 14 days, right? But our team, they'll provide to you almost 30 days of license. Just get a hands-on. Totally 7 months of license for these two applications.
Okay. So
Clear?
what is the requirements from our side? I mean, like to get these things.
So the requirements is here, team, very system requirements only. So make sure to check your system configurations. So in the system configurations, these things, the Tosca on-prem, for on-prem point of view, must be required system configurations. Okay. The Windows system, it is going to support Windows 10 or 11 systems only. And minimum RAM is fine. Minimum 8 GB RAM is required. 8 GB RAM is required. And here hard disk and SSD. If you have hard disk, that is fine. If not, just use SSD also fine. And the processor point of view, you can make any processor. Okay. Because the on-prem itself, we required installations to our local system, right? We used to go with these things.
Can we do it in Mac?
Yes, but you have to go with the VMware configuration.
As a Windows again.
Exactly. Windows only, but not directly available in the Mac. Okay.
Okay.
It's directly Windows combination.
And one doubt
In
actually, like in the Tosca cloud, right?
Yeah.
I think you opened your URL in Chrome, right?
Yeah, because I already activated this license cloud. I given training on some of the previous batches. The training is still going on.
Okay.
So the trial is still, it is available for 7 days.
Okay.
Maybe the next 7 days we can discuss these things with other batches. Yeah.
So like what if you want to close the browsers then with Tosca?
See the closing browsers, how to open the browsers, how to open private, incognito, guest browsers, closing, kill. Each and everything is a in detailed concepts about Tosca. One by one, we'll discuss into detailed sessions in the coming classes. Okay. So this is a completely a demo session. So in this demo session, I'm just giving a high level information. What are the features this Tosca is holding and what kind of projects we are going to cover and what exactly the features you get from my side, like AI features with the hands-on experience and all I'm discussing here. Clear?
Okay, so if we are not wrong, like in the on-premise, you are going to discuss about distributed execution.
The distributed is belongs to on-prem.
Yeah, and elastic grid execution. Is it
Cloud.
cloud or on-prem?
It's a
It's a
cloud.
cloud.
Cloud plus on-prem combination.
Yeah, and
If you want to run your scenarios with the cloud, then you can use these two combinations, Elastic Grid.
okay,
So
and
I can give you, yeah, just
you're
go
also
ahead.
going to cover Jenkins integration and the Litmus
I'll just
integration.
tell you the Jenkins integration combination, not completely, okay? Because the Tosca point of view, that stuff is not at all required to you all. Understand?
But in interviews, they're asking that
Yeah, the
integrations of Jenkins with
integration, the
Azure.
setup, everything I can tell you. And if you require the installation config also, I can give you that. Okay?
Okay. And what about Azure?
No, guys. See, it is a 60 days of training, not 3 to 6 months of training. Understand? See, the Azure configurations do one thing. Just do, if you have a trial version, just do the setups accordingly. Everything it is available in the documentations. We can do that.
Okay.
It is completely project specification. So see here, team, I just opened this document because we do have a training requirement within our companies and they're just asking like the cloud because the team is already working in Tosca Commander. So they just want to know the features of Tosca Cloud and all. So I just prepared the content for the daily, hourly wise content and I give it to them. Probably the entire team is working on these things. So the importance of Tosca Cloud, it's a very, very important. So make sure you have to learn these two things in Tosca perspective. Understand? Team, everyone clear like Kiran, Sauchi, Nagababu, Naresh?
Hi, Anisha.
Clear.
Hello.
Yes, yes, team.
Yeah. So actually, I'm working as a software test engineer right now on mobile testing. So in this Tosca is supported to the for mobile testing.
Yes.
Okay. So like so the duration is 30 days is enough for learning the complete course for that. I mean, you can apply the like opportunity jobs.
So see here, team, let me give
Mm.
what things are included as part of training. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
What concepts I'm going to cover as part of this training. I'll
Okay.
discuss here. Later, you'll get a clarity. Okay.
Okay.
So the training point of your team, initially we learn here Tosca, on-prem and cloud. Both we can learn here. So here, coming to the application categories. So what kind of projects you will get from my side? One is a web-based projects. And another thing is here team SAP projects. Okay. And API also. Project is nothing but completely end-to-end flows, how we used to work with the API and database, how to connect to the database and how to fetch the data and fetch data, how to reuse into a HK section level, the database section and the desktop applications. Okay. If you want to do a practice with a Salesforce, yes, you can do. If you want to do a practice with a SAP Fiori applications, yes, you can do SAP Fiori applications, log in for 30 days trial, 40 days trial and do a practice on that applications also. There is no specification on this training. You have to use this particular application only. You can take whatever the application you want and try to do a practice on those particular application categories. Okay. So I am here to completely help you to workflow. So what exactly the workflow we use to follow in Tosca on-prem and Tosca cloud. So coming back to here, the timings is same timings. Again, 8 to 9, 9 to 10 only, the timings here. And here, team, the CS will do test TDS point of view, the data driven point of view. As I said, what options it is available in on-prem. The on-prem TCD is available, TDM is available, test data management with a Tosca server. And another thing is Excel file is also available. But in a Tosca cloud team, we required Excel and CSV files and JSON files. The Tosca cloud is going to support for the data-driven combination, these file categories. These things we used to discuss. Along with this AI features. So these AI features, you'll get a completely hands-on on this vision AI feature and agentic AI features with the MCP server combination. Okay. And along with this team, coming to a CI/CD combination, CI/CD workflows. So in this CI/CD workflows, I'm here to discuss with you the distributed executions, how we can set up and how to run the scenarios in distributed execution and elastic grid execution. Along with this, if you want a Jenkins, I can give you Jenkins setup and execution flows. You can do practice on this. So these all are the points we are going to discuss entire these trainings. So coming to the duration of the trainings, obviously it takes almost 50 to 60 days of time. 50 to 60 days daily, 1 hour.
Anusha, is there an offline classes or completely in online only?
Completely online.
Okay.
And once the batch is confirmed, we have a WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay.
This is the WhatsApp group, and we'll communicate. Even I'm also part of the group. If you are getting any kind of questions, if you post the screenshots, if you ask the questions, I am or one of our team members will respond to you. Otherwise, daily class. Before the class, I can give you 5 minutes of time to discuss the yesterday's class related doubts. So accordingly, we can fix it immediately instead of waiting for the specific time.
Anusha, one more doubt. Hello.
Just be
Anusha,
whole.
yeah, one more doubt for me. For example, so that is a test execution. Suppose one scenario is there, so that scenario you said that there is no code required for the execution or test case writing, whatever it may be. Automatically, it will provide us to execute. Here, some take an example like a mobile testing in that particular scenario. So we can test it with a different type of test cases. So how can give the input to that tool to provide the cases to execute our scenario?
So what exactly the flow you are following in your right current now project? Okay. So I'll just check with you separately. Okay, which approach is suitable in Tosca point of I can guide. Okay. But high level, these points it's completely belongs to all project categories. So specifically you're looking for the mobile, right? So in the Tosca point of view, workflow is completely different. So here we have to create the modules, test cases, all these things, it go one by one.
No, Anusha, my query is like not only particular for mobile related. So what I'm asking is, for example, on particular scenario, so I need to execute. So at the time we need to give the prompting like so this kind of scenario is there. So that based on that they will provide the test cases or any.
Yes, that is possible.
Okay.
So in an AI tool,
Mm-hmm.
okay, in an AI tool, go to
Mm.
here. So here we have a generate AI test case. Okay.
Both positive and negative test cases will provide, right?
Yes. So here, if you click on generate test case, just give the prompt, which prompt you want. Okay.
Yeah,
It
got
will
it.
enable the custom Vision AI components and all.
Okay.
So just open that application in your browser. So what exactly your feature, just give the prompt and which one you need, either positive cases or negative cases. Based on your prompt, it automatically generates the test case. Okay. You don't need to spend much time here to work with the manual approach. Okay.
Okay. One more thing, like in coding with related with Selenium and all, Appium, like for mobile testing, right?
Not
So
required.
not required. No, my comparison, like for example, we can take the Selenium or Appium, like these tools to compare to the Tosca. So what is the main difference for both, except the coding?
See, the Selenium supports only web-based applications, correct?
Yes.
So whenever you have a combinations with automating a web, a database and API, then is it flexible to work with a Selenium? No.
No.
So the Tosca is one only flexible automation tool to automate all the kind of enterprise application, all categories covered here.
Okay.
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 You can do
And
web testing, you can do desktop, you can do API, you can do database, and even you can do mobile application testing also.
okay. And the reports, whatever it would be, execution reports will be generated in a particular CSV. Their form they provide na, in Tosca.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Got it. Thank you.
So the different ways we have, Tim, we have a lot to discuss inside this Tosca. Okay. If you are spending only 30 days, you may learn just what is what. If you are spending more than 30 days, you are going to learn in-depth details. Once you learn in-depth details, at least you can try for the Tosca opportunities at least 3 to 4 years of experience. Okay. So in this entire training sessions, Tim, we are going to learn all these features one by one in detail, basic to advanced. Okay. Clear up to here, team, everyone?
And so one last note from my side.
Yeah.
See, basically nowadays, if you see the clients, right? So they're not okay with the reports, execution reports, I mean to say.
You
So they
can
want any
create a
customized way.
customized. Yes. We
So
can create a customized.
is it part of this training?
The customization creation is one-time activity only. Okay. So for just go to your report customization. For on-prem, one customization is there and cloud is another customization is there.
Okay.
So in the reporting section is there right here.
Mm-hmm.
It is a default reports which is given by Tricentic. If client wants to specific customization, we can set up that here directly. It's a one-time activity, na? Yeah. One-time activity is nothing but we do set up client a specific report format one time only. So which format they want, we'll export the report and we'll send it to the client.
No. I mean to say, no client is asking that, like what about the standard reports we are getting from the Tosca? So apart from that, he wants some additional features to it, so to add to the report.
Yes, that is what
So
I'm
that
telling.
level
That is
customization is
possible.
possible here.
The customization is completely possible. Okay.
Okay.
The previous scenario is also, I said same thing. The customization is completely possible here.
Okay.
Understand?
So that is also part of the training you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Anusha.
So team, clear all these points. Do you have any questions? Are you guys able to hear me clearly, right?
Yeah. I have a doubt. I just have that doubt is like regarding that certification. Is this like you should help in that certification like AS1, AS2 or something?
So coming to a certification guidance team, I can give you complete information related to this guidance certification. So what is happened for each year. So in the last year, so let me bring the certification. What are the certifications it is available? So AS1 and AS2, like TDS1 and TDS2 and API and AE1. So in this combinations team, Tricentis is released one final certificate, that is a product consultant certificate. This is a product consultant certificate. Okay, this is a one combination. Now the same combination it is available for the right now also, but the thing is in a 2024, I think 2025 we have a flexibility to support you guys to clear this particular certificate. This is possible in the 2025 up to December 31st. So 2026 January onwards, what happened? The Tricentis team is changed their roles. Change the rules. So if you are taking the product consultant certificate, must you have to, it is completely protracted certificate. Okay. So the what are the things they are just asking to do here? The scanning, room scanning is available. They just scan the room. And your video, must you have to video should be enabled. And your ID card capturing screen and your screen sharing. So you cannot away from the screen until the exam has to complete. If you break the rules, automatically it close the certificate. Okay. These all rules are added additionally in the 2026 of January. So as per this training point of view, I can support you guys to clear up to AS1, AS2, TDS1, TDS2, A1, A up to here. So here there is no restrictions. I can support you to clear all the certificates. But here, team, main thing you have to understand one point. For all these things, you will get the badges only, not a PDF certificate, only badges. So if you write the final exam for the product consultant, then here you'll get the PDF. So is my points clear here?
Yeah.
So for product consultants, you will get the PDF file. Okay. For this product consultant certificate is completely protracted. So if it is protracted, team, so we cannot, even we are trying to help you out, but it's not possible. We can give some dump of questions to you. Just go through that questions and try to take an attempt to this particular certificate. Okay.
Yeah, clear.
So you'll get directly some support from our side. So you no need to worry for these about thing. The below one also we cannot leave you here. We'll support you to get a complete guidance or some kind of dumps also will share you. So accordingly you can go through and take the certificate. Okay. Any other questions, Tim? So this is a completely demo session. So what I did so far, I just explained to you what are the high level and advanced features in Tosca automation, and then what tools are available in Tricentis side and which one is recommended. So as I said, the recommended thing is do these two things, on-prem and Tosca cloud. So as I show you, this is a one of the corporate course content which I'm going to give a training to the corporate people, those who are working in already Tosca Commander. Okay. So I think you people are already in a head. So you are discussing these two things together. And later, to get completely hands-on, we require these two things. Along with that, so as you know, the project categories and the data-driven testing point of view and CI/CD pipeline, and if you give some prompt, then how Tosca is creating the test case, everything we'll discuss in detail sessions day by day. So this is completely high level information, team, what concepts we are going to cover and what are the features that Tosca it is having so far. And along with that, this certification guidance is also included as part of this training. You no need to worry. Clear?
Yes, Anush. Thank you.
And team here, initially I'll start the training with a Tosca commander on-prem application. Okay. For this particular commander, we required installations and all. So initially, before going to the commander point of view, let me give one thing. Requirement. Where exactly we'll get the requirements to the automation testing team. So here, team, what are the manual test cases? Like you all are functional testers, right? If you are developing any manual test cases, the manual test case is the prerequisite to automation. Manual test case is the prerequisite to automation. What are the manual test cases you developed so far? The entire dump is given to the automation. They build the scenarios in automation flow. As an automation tester, you don't require much functional knowledge here. So much functional knowledge is not required. So if you know how to work in automation, that is pretty much enough with a basic functional knowledge. Am I clear?
Yeah, clear.
So any questions? Tomorrow, what I'll do, so how the manual test cases look like and how we are working with automation, completely real-time flow, I'll tell you, completely real-time. Once I log into the system, so what actions I can do and what things I'll check. And once I'm done with all prerequisite, how I'll start the work in real time and how my team is also working in a real time. So each and everything I'll discuss in detail, a step-by-step flow in tomorrow's session. So meanwhile, if you guys have any questions, you can raise and we can discuss in detail. Madhuri, is my voice clear? I don't think so.
Yes, it's clear.
Madhuri, could you please increase your volume and then check. So see here, team, somebody is joined with iPhone. So the admin team is asking your credentials. If possible, could you please ping your details in a chat window? I don't have any experience. I came from completely technical background, not interested in coding side. Yes. So Tosca is very flexible for you, Devi. So there is no coding in a Tosca point of view. Simply you guys able to understand and build the test cases easily, even if you are from non-IT background. Nowadays, don't think about non-IT and manual testing background. Even the things is happening with the manual point of view. We are just giving the prompts, the Tosca or any automation tool, it's building the scenarios. Okay. We no need to learn anything from in detail in scratch nowadays, because everything is AI is changing the world, right? If you are still learning a step by step, it takes a lot, but you know the in detailed information. So along with that, must you have to gain some basic knowledge related to AI tools, how to give the prompts and how LLMs are working and all that. So don't worry, I can discuss all these things with you in detail in a coming classes, step by step flows. Do you have any questions for me so far? Once this recording is completed, we can share this recording with you, and even you'll get daily class note also. Let me show you this. So this is my previous batches team. You'll get daily class note and all the customized DLL files, SAP installations and APIs and ARIS related stuff. Along with that, I just prepared completely a document for Tosca on-prem. Okay, this is the Tosca on-prem related document. Everything is added here. So in this on-prem related document, I can give you access to your, you can go with each and every document in detailed information. So what is the concept and how to work in Tosca and with image screenshots. Okay. Clear up?
So is
So
it every day batches, or is it like 5 day or 6 day? What is this?
So Monday to Friday, it's a regular classes. So every Saturday, it's a doubt sessions. Like either me, I'll join the doubt session, or our mentor will join the doubt session. They clear all of your doubts. Okay. Otherwise, I'll take directly Saturday's doubt session. Okay.
Perfect. Yeah.
Like Monday to Friday, what concepts we discussed, and based on your practice, so what kind of challenges you guys are facing, we'll discuss all the things detailed in a Saturday session. Clear? Kiran, Mohit, Moin, Prudvi, Prasad, Shravan, Tanuja. Clear? All of you?
Yes, yes, Anusha, it's good for me.
So this is a completely information team. Demo session is nothing but we are just understanding why Tosca and why popular in the market because of these all features only. Okay. Tomorrow I'll tell you as an automation tester where we are getting a requirement. Once we get the requirement, how we are analyzing the scenarios. Later on, how we do automation in a Tosca. So in Tosca automation, what are the ways we used to follow? Okay. The day one onwards, I'll explain to you the basic to complete advanced flow state. Understand? Any questions so far? I hope everyone clear, right? So please make sure to join tomorrow's session also, team, because tomorrow's session is very important. We'll discuss the points in detail in the next class. So tomorrow is also a demo session. It's not like a theoretical demo session. I can give you completely commander installation guide and example also. The day one class tomorrow. Please join tomorrow also. With same time, same link. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's it for today, team. Thanks to you all for joining today's demo session. We'll connect tomorrow same time. Thank you all. Have a nice day, team. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
all.
you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, team. Bye.